Everyone, and good day, Mrs. Kirby Rodelia. I'm truly honored to be here with you today. My name is Markil Dizon, the event director of MARK Events, a company founded on the values of management, artistry, reliability, and keen execution. We believe in one simple but powerful promise. This is our tagline, our passion is your perfect event. Here is my business card. If at any point you have questions or ideas, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're just one call or message away. The next is about us, my company. MARK Events, established on February 7, 2025, is a full-service event solution company. We specialize in organizing meaningful, unique, and seamless events tailored to your preferences and purpose. Whether it's a personal milestone or a public outreach initiative, we approach each project with creativity, strategy, and care. Next is mission and vision. Our mission is to create well-managed, artfully designed, and purpose-driven events that exceed expectation. And our vision is to become a trusted name in the event industry, both in the Philippines and international, known for delivering high-impact experience with art and professionalism. The next is our team. We are a passionate team of planners, designers, coordinators, and creatives with years of combined experience. Each team member brings dedication and skill to their role, ensuring that every aspect of your event, from concept to cleanup, is handled with excellence. Next is sample events we've handled. Let me brief you share examples of what we have done. The first is baby shower, team-based celebration with games and keepsakes. Next is sports league, pool tournament planning with stage, awards, and team coordination. Next is seminars and conferences, from registration to speaker, support, and logistics. Next is cultural events, showcasing heritage through music, dance, and local artists. The last one is the community service, like what we are discussing today, free service for public good like haircut, live feeding program, and medical mission. Next is SWOT overview. So, the first one is strengths, creative execution, strong coordination, reliable partnership. Weaknesses, currently expanding our network in rural communities. Opportunities, rising demand for team, service-oriented events. And the last one is threats, unpredictable weather and venue availability. We continuously assess this to adapt and improve our services. Next is event brief. This is your project. Now let's focus on your event. The theme is the community day. This is the event, free haircut for the public. And the event name is the Kirby's Free Haircut. Venue partner with Biga Cover Court. This is a wonderful initiative that promotes public service and care. Our job is to ensure the delivery is smooth, stylish, and impactful. Next is actual event overview. This is a community outreach event designed to offer free haircut services to individuals of all age in the local area. It's more than a grooming session. It's a gesture of compassion, unity, and support. The next one is the stage and decoration. We will set up a modest stage with a vibrant and welcoming backdrop using community day theme colors, cheerfully and warm. We'll add the banners with your event branding, balloons column, and a central signage reading Kirby's Free Haircut. Next is your floor plan. Here's how we'll organize this space. This is the entrance and registration, haircut service area, waiting area with seats and fans, stage area for announcement, souvenir booth, first aid in a stop zone. Everything will be strategically placed to ensure safety, comfort, and efficiency. Next is event venue location. The event will take place at the Biga Covered Court located at Street Barangay San Roque, Region 4A, Doño Justo, Angono, Rizal. It's shaded and very accessible to the community, perfect for a public service initiative. This is the sample invitation, well-designed both digitally and printed invitation that reflect the event's theme. This can be distributed through social media, barangay page, and physical copies at local store and school. This is the sample souvenir. To commemorate the event, we'll give away custom cups with your logo or event name, baller bracelet as a token of participation and unity. Simple, useful, and memorable items that guests can wear and keep. Next is program of the event. So this is the time, start with 9:30 AM and end up the 5 PM. And the flow will include this, the opening remarks, short program or welcome, start of haircut service, midday break with snacks and water, raffle draw, community games, and the last one is closing acknowledgement. Next is the sample food package. For volunteers and staff will prepare food packs including rice plus ulam or egg chicken or pork, bottled water, juice or soft drinks. This can also be extended to selected beneficiary depending on the final budget. And the next is the timeline. So 2 weeks before, confirmation, coordination with suppliers, barangay clearance. Then the 1 week before, final planning, meeting and logistic check. 1 day before, venue setup, chairs, boat and sound system. And the event day is the execution and monitoring. Then after the event, this is the cleanup and evaluation. Next is the budget outline. So this is the total of budget, 691,749 pesos, includes that the logistic and suppliers, equipment and decoration, then souvenirs, food and health kits. This is the contingency fund, 95,340 for this the use for emergency needs. This ensure a worry-free event even if adjustments arise. So next is the proposal letter. We'll prepare an official proposal letter summarizing everything I've just presented. It serves as a formal intended and agreement offer with full transparency and documentation for your review. Next is the company legitimacy. MARK Events is a registered business in the Philippines and is capable of serving clients both locally and internationally. Our permits and legal compliance are always in order, ensuring a professional and secure engagement for every client. Next is the final note and business card. Once again, Mr. Rodelia, thank you for this opportunity. Here's my business card. Please feel free to contact me for another further question, addition, or if you decided to move forward with us. We would be honored to bring our Community Day vision to life at MARK Events. Remember that this tagline, our passion is your perfect event. Thank you.